everybody, it's Jill from Glimmerbug Art Studio, and today I'm going to do my art snacks because I've had a crazy hectic couple of weeks. My dad's been sick and in and out of the hospital and about 1,000,005 doctor's appointments, and I totally forgot that this showed up at my house last week. And I was just looking over at my desk, and I was painting something, and I looked over and I said, oh my God, I never did my art snacks. I never opened it up. So, better late than never. So let's get started and see what kind of fun stuff we got in here, because this definitely brightens my day. Smarties, yippee yay. Some kind of, an ad for some kind of lighting, 40% off. Well, if I needed lighting, I'll have to keep that. Let's get rid of the box. Let's see, whoops. The art snacks sticker. And then our cheat sheet and what's in the box. I'm excited. It feels kind of heavy. Let's see what we got this time. I can already see something I'm super happy about. One of these little erasers. I actually keep one here on my desk, and I use it all the time. So fabulous. That'll be nice. I can never use enough erasers. I love having erasers, and I love the tips of these because you can use them on the side and then get a nice thin tip so you can get into a good space with that. Let's see, what's this? A mechanical pencil from Tombow. Very cool. All right, so let's see. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? So you twist, and up comes the eraser. Fancy pantsy. That's neat. Cool. All right, so that's kind of a neat little thing to, maybe, do you click on it? No? Oh, what's this say? This tells you how to lead lock. Oh, well, look at that. Shut up about it. You use the little holder thing to push the lead out, and then you can lock it by pushing that back up. I never saw one of those before. Looks like it's an expensive little product. Let's see. It is $6, the monograph mechanical pencil. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, well, good to know. Try that out in a second. What's this one? This is the fluorescent green Liquitex paint marker with a chisel tip. Okay, cool. That'll be fun to use. I love these multi-liner by Copics. Oh, look at this one. It's a nice big fat one. That's cool. And then pretty nice little lines on it. I love these. I love getting black pens because I don't think you ever have enough black pens. Oh, and a Pitt pen, big brush. Manganese violet. Let's see. You can't really see it on that, can you? Let's see. Oh, that's a nice color. I like that color. These are, let's see, this, $6. Paint marker, $6. Copic liner, $4. Tombow pencil, $6. And eraser, $3.50. I love this thing. I'm so happy to get one. Well, that's cool. Let's see if we can get this pen to work. I'm sure I've said it before. I've never had luck with paint pens. I don't know what my problem is. I do everything they tell me to do, and I store them correctly, and maybe I just don't use them enough. I don't know. That's a nice color. Yeah, that's nice chisel tip. But yeah, I don't know. I never have luck with them, which kind of sucks. I mean, I use those Jelly Roll pens like all the time, and I love those, and I do all right with those. I do okay with the white pens, but sometimes the tips just don't work out for me. I don't know. Does anybody else have that problem, or maybe it's just me? Probably just me, because that's been known to happen. So anyhow, so let's add this up. So let's see. Let's see. $4 plus $6 is $10, plus another $4, 14, plus another, where are we? Plus another 6, 20, and this guy 6. So $26. So that's pretty good. the plan that I use, it's because I've been doing it for so long, I'm at the $20 a month plan, but I think now their plans are $25. So basically it's just it all paid for itself through the membership. So that's pretty cool. There's been a couple of comments that I've seen on previous videos about different art subscription services that people have tried, and I'm interested in seeing. Maybe I will try another one at some point to see if there's anything different in them. But for now, I really I love getting a new pencil. That's a nice pencil. It feels good when you grip it, right? These are my favorite, the Graph Gear. These are my favorite pencils. I have 2 of them, and I love them. I love the lead in them. I love the feel of them. But this is kind of a nice one, so maybe I'll use that for some of my watercolors, for some sketching and stuff like that. So that's pretty neat. And I like how the eraser pops in and out so it doesn't get ruined. So that's pretty cool. All right, so that's my art snacks for, I don't even know what month we're in, May. Like I said, it's been a little bit cuckoo with my father being sick and doctor's appointments and all that, so I can't even keep my head straight about where I am and what I'm doing today. So it's just playing catch up. So now I'm excited that I waited and I opened this up, and it's like I have a little present for myself. So anyhow, thanks for watching, and like this video, thumbs up this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of these products, and if you've used any of them, and if you use Art Snacks, I'd love to hear from you. And if you have any other suggestions for different art supply services, mail services that you use that I don't know about, I'd love to find out. So have a great rest of your day, be creative, and enjoy the sun. Thanks. Bye.